Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial shows you how to earn with smart Arbitage on Binance. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. Open the Binance app and log in to your account. Make sure you have funds already deposited. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left of your screen. Tap on More Services and scroll down to earn. Tap on Smart Arbitage. You will see a list of coins to trade. Select the one you want to trade. You need a minimum deposit of 250 US to start trading. After depositing, check the box that says read and understood, then tap on confirm to start your smart Arbitage. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.